New Year 2026 is coming. Start it strong with a safer, smoother garage door. If it sticks, squeals, or won't close right, that's more than a hassle. It hits curb appeal and safety. Spark Garage Door Repair in Aurora fixes it right the first time. Broken springs, misaligned tracks, dented panels, stubborn openers. Book a New Year tune-up. Lubrication, spring tension set, sensor tests, precise balancing. Local experts, upfront pricing. Fast, friendly service Aurora trusts. Start 2026 with a door that looks sharp, runs silent, and secures your home.